Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You'll start by confirming the essentials: an Apple Music subscription and an Apple ID ready to sign in, and a Fire TV running Fire OS. Once done, use the Firestick remote to open the Amazon App Store, search for Apple Music, select the official app, and choose Install. Do this now so the app is ready. Installing first avoids delays later when signing in. Make sure your Fire TV stays on the same Wi-Fi network as any phone you'll use for signing or casting. Next, open the Apple Music app and tap Sign In. You can type your Apple ID and password using the Fire remote, or speed things up by pairing the Alexa app or using your phone as a keyboard. If Apple prompts for two-factor authentication, approve it on your trusted device. This step verifies your account and unlocks your library. Once you're signed in, Apple Music links your playlists and preferences to the Fire Stick, so playback and recommendations appear immediately. Finally, choose a song, playlist, or station and press play. Use the remote or say a command if Alexa voice control is enabled. You can pair Bluetooth speakers in Fire TV settings or cast from your iPhone for improved sound. If playback stalls or the app won't sign in, force quit the app, clear its cache, and reinstall. Also verify your Fire OS is updated and that region or VPN settings aren't blocking Apple services. That single troubleshooting step.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.